Welcome to Footage. If you like our work, touch the subscribe and press the like button. No commitment, stay with us to learn more. 10 lines on nature. Nature is the most valuable gift for us. We are living in a lovely nature. All our surroundings bound with beautiful nature. Trees, forests, birds, rivers, hills and animals are all big examples of nature. We get water, food, air and lot of necessary things from nature. It plays a huge role to live a healthy life. It is the main resource for living life or living animals. Weather and climate immensely depend on nature. It always protects like a mother, so we should protect nature. We are very thankful for nature and we promise we will take care of it.